Okay, that's a good sign. Beautiful box, huh?
Yes.
That's our rear door cover. Oh my God, Dookie. Are you looking at all that? They even pulled the trim.
Take that bag off.
Beautiful.
Back doors on the bottom. Door panels are on. No scratches. No glass.